display. In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Nokia. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down, choose display, scroll down again and manage auto rotation thanks to this switcher next to auto rotate screen feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!